What should you do if your car's warranty repair is taking too long? If your car's warranty repair is taking too long and you feel that your vehicle is a lemon, there are a few steps you should take. Document the issue. The best way to win a lemon law case is with warranty repair documents. Keep detailed records of all the problems with your vehicle, including the date and nature of each problem, the date and outcome of each repair attempt, and any correspondence with the manufacturer or dealership. However, don't worry if you haven't been keeping thorough records. Start doing so now, and we will help you retrieve the previous records. We also recommend taking pictures and videos of the problems when they occur, as some issues are intermittent, meaning they come and go. Contact the manufacturer and explain the situation you're in. Seek legal assistance. If you feel like your car's a lemon, we can help. We can review your case for you, confirm whether or not you have a case, and file a lawsuit against the manufacturer on your behalf. Fortunately for you as the consumer, California law requires the automobile manufacturer to pay for the legal fees related to bringing a lemon law claim. This is how the lemon law helps us provide our services to you with no upfront cost. We can ensure you are treated fairly and help you receive the maximum compensation and relief under the law.